Yeah, question number 23. Three identical PN junction diode D1, D2 and D3, they are connected across a battery. If the width of the depletion layer of D1, D2 and D3 are W1, W2, W3, then the correct options are. Now try to understand what exactly is happening here. Please see this one. Now battery is connected like this. This one is in, this diode is in reverse bias. It is reverse biased, right? This one D1 is forward biased. Now what is the concept here? When you talk about what? Reverse bias. When a particular diode is reverse bias, its depletion layer, I am writing depletion layer as DL. Okay, it is not driving license, it is depletion layer. Okay, so DL we are talking about in reverse bias, depletion layer increases. In forward biased condition, depletion layer decreases. Okay, and what about this one? This is open circuit. So this is open circuit. And how much is given here? Now this is D1, this is D2 and this one is D3, right? Okay, so this is D1, this one is D2 and this one is what? D3. Now in this case, try to understand. In this case, depletion layer is going to be maximum because it increases. Forward bias minimum, and this one is in middle. So W3 greater than W2, W2 greater than W1. So what will be the answer? Option number 1. Simply it is concept based. Okay, it is what? It is simply concept based. Okay.